Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your disc can't download or copy over to the PlayStation 5 when you're trying to use it. And this is actually really easy to do. So I have Battlefield 4 copying over here. Now I'm going to simply eject the disc just like this. And I want to get a microfiber cleaning cloth and simply clean off the disc. Now it could be any kind of smearing or smudge on the front of the disc right here. So even just a fingerprint causing this error to happen on your PlayStation 5. Otherwise, you could have a very soft rag that you got for cleaning dishes. This could be a microfiber cleaning cloth, but this will clean the disc without scratching it and just clean off all the smudges and then place it back into the PlayStation 5 and just see if this fixes the issue. And most of the time, this is what's causing that error code to pop up on your screen, the 10005-6 error code, and then place it back in and you should be good to go. And then you'll hear your PlayStation 5 ramp up and it's going to copy over on your PlayStation. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.